Hey YouTube, it's me. Sorry I've been gone for a really long time because life. I got in a really serious car accident and stuff like that. My car was destroyed, so I really haven't had the motivation or time. Uh, yeah, these are fake Yeezys you're looking at. I'm working on them to make them like a vape camo. It's gonna take a while. Okay. And so what's the update? So I just got some more paint. So basically, I've been taking time to build my empire of Angela stuff. So that's a nice sticker. So I can get at it for you guys and make videos. It's hard to make videos because I'm recording on my phone right now, and I always have to watch out for space issues and stuff like that. And set up the tripod, make sure the phone doesn't die. There's just a long list of things, but eventually I'll get a camera maybe if I start getting subscribers or people that are interested. Uh, so this is a mesh filter for my airbrush. Yeah, I haven't really been filming in a really long time, so since then I got more of a collection of stuff. I also have a lot. I got maybe 4 airbrushes now, and I've never even used them yet, so that's going to take a while, and I have to use them because I got a compressor for them. What else do I got? I got like one of the really good airbrushes. I think it's called like a Talon or something like that. It's a good one. That's to clean them out. I don't really know everything that I need for my airbrush. Oh yeah, some new laces. I was thinking about getting those laces for the Safari when I fix them up. Obviously I ripped the soles off, but yeah, I think that'll help them pop. Those are gonna look awesome. And of course, I'm gonna need 2 hand seats. Some of the things I got. I'm going to show you a pair of shoes that I'm going to be working on for a friend at work, and then I'm going to work on those, and I'll show you guys the after. And yeah, that's everything I got. The collection is growing. 1 second, I'm just grabbing them. Okay. I'm setting them up weird, so here they are. So on the bottom, you got that. And then I don't know how we're gonna do this because it's like it's not really like the sole. Like I don't know what's going on there, but that's happening on both sides and both shoes. And then you got up there. I'll sew that back in, no problem. So I'm gonna have to try and like match the paint. See, in situations like this, I don't know, is it just regular black Angelus paint, or like is it flat black with some finish or what? But yeah, I'm gonna be fixing these up, and I'll show you when I am done. Okay, finally these shoes are completed. I sewed these back in. I glued that back because that was coming off. Now they're wearable.